It was the dumbest rabbit in Pennsylvania, obviously. It was the dumbest rabbit in Pennsylvania.
Back piece. I mean, this whole valley down in here. We just can't go down in this little section down here.
You were serious? You actually got a camera?
Yeah.
A lot of pressure on you.
No swearing. No swearing.
A lot of pressure on him because he misses a lot.
So I need to follow him around.
Yeah.
What are we doing here?
All right, well, we might as well line up here on the edge of this field and then just work our way towards that big open cornfield down there. And then once we go up in there, we can swing whatever direction we want to go.
We're going that way.
No, we're gonna go, yeah, towards that cornfield up there on that hill.
Sounds like a plan to me.
We'll go up there and then we'll swing whatever way we want to swing.
We're along to that tree line.
Yeah. Somebody stay along the edge of that tree line and go up along the edge there. Yep.
So we're just going to take this bottom half then?
Yeah, just take the bottom half and work our way up the hill.
Come on, hunt him up. Come on, Jumper. Go get him. Come on,
Get him, boy.
yeah, the snow's pretty much gone in here. Come on, boy. Hunt him up. Oh, find a bunny. Get him, Ringo. Hunt him up. A little birdie there. Freaking rabbit could be sitting under here and just scoot around 5 feet, you wouldn't see it move. Pump one in here somewhere.
Hey guys, there's a nice buck grub over here.
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I knew we should have went deer hunting.
Come on, get him up, guys. Get him up. Where is he? Get him. Get him. Get him. Get the bunny. Get the bunny. Get the bunny. Where is he? Come on, get him up. Get him up. Get him up. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Why does the camera guy have to kick him up? Pheasant.
Must be in here wandering around. Keep wandering off.
Probably get back in here and they'll lose it. Oh yeah, this is a good spot. Is that the same rabbit? Someone shot. Kenny, he acted like it were up in here.
That's what I thought. He's seen it. It's a loop back.
Might be a different rabbit. So Lance, who shot that?
I think Lance did.
Little Lance.
Little Lance, yeah. He get it, Ken?
Yeah, he got one of them. There's 2 rabbits.
Oh, okay. This thing, I think I'm too fat for this thing.
Your butts are get soaking wet.
I'm afraid if I get in, I won't be able to get out.
Lance, he's getting out there to.
I'm scared.
All right. All right, we've been on a rabbit for a good 45 minutes, and Lance here, he decided he's gonna get up in a deer stand to shoot this rabbit. We'll see what happens. They're running it pretty good.
Oh, this is pretty comfortable. It'd be funny if I did get it out of the stand.
Tell me if you see it. Tell me if you see it. Coming your way. Did you get it?
Hey, Doug.
What?
Never mind, go ahead. Go ahead.
I saw it coming through there. Little Lance, he's pointing.
Oh, there it is.
It's overloaded. I'm just ready to get down.
It's still alive. Still alive. Oh, they got it.
Good run.
Lance, was that the same rabbit?
Yeah, I'm
Not sure.
if I had to guess, probably.
I couldn't hear him barking anymore. That's
Well, they quit for a minute. Good boys. You guys deserve that rabbit.
good.
Who ran the nuts off that subbitch, huh? Good boy, Ringo. Oh, good boy, Yuki. Yeah, buddy. Good dogs. Good dogs. Good boys. Huh? Good boy, Tex. guys see deer too.
He did.
Oh, did he? Oh, when they come down that hill, it was Tex, Ringo, Henry, and Trump.
So Lance, what happened here? You decided you're gonna get up in this tree stand, this deer stand, to shoot a rabbit.
I'm gonna see this
It was
thing
a pretty
flying.
good spot I could see up there, so.
Good boy.
That's what I told
Dogs made a nice run.
Made a nice run and made a good kill.
Good boy.
I told Dave to slide
After
down because I thought it was
an
gonna
hour
come
run?
down that tree line.
At least.
Well, it did. It cut.
And then
As soon as I moved over,
it cut right behind you.
it cut right behind me, and I'm like,
I never saw it going between us.
I did.
Yeah, because you went like this.
I was sitting there, I saw it scooting through those weeds up there, and that's when I
I didn't know if you seen it or you just said it.
no, I saw it. That's why I was going
it was
like
sitting
this.
in the middle of that trail right between me and you.
But, yeah,
Did you see it, Lance?
Oh yeah.
yeah, he saw it too.
Are you mad I got it?
No.
Oh,
I wanted to shoot that.
You must have hit him in the head.
really?
Well, he's
His
bleeding
eyes are
like a
all
son of a gun
bloodshot.
out of his head.
410.
410 power.
410 wouldn't go that far.
That was an
410
80-yard shot with a 410
I'm surprised they didn't blow the limbs off that
out
tree.
of a tree stand.
Wow.
No?
I don't know.
That rabbit was in trouble though. We had the gun line set up.
you
Dave,
come across
me,
this thing,
and
you-
Lance was up there. You
Either
were
that or
there.
we were all going to shoot each other.
Yeah, one of the two.
Well, I heard a few BBs go pew 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 through the trees.
Oh boy,
That's a 5-pound rabbit.
that's a big
Was that
rabbit.
That's a 9 point.
That's a good boy.
My phone
good
rang. I'm like, well,
girls.
Parker's calling saying he's done. It's you.
Yeah,
Hey,
that was
buddy,
a
what
good
you doing?
run.
Just standing down here waiting for this rabbit
Was
to
it
come
a
up the
male?
hill.
Was that a male? Did you look?
It didn't look like one.
No? I can't believe that was a male.
Swamp donkey.
That's a hill donkey there. That's
I
sucker.
didn't feel anything.
No, female.
Big old female too.
Yeah, big female. I'd get it mounted if I was you.
Sure doesn't have any horns on it.
Hey, them horns I found we could put on here.
You found
Did you
some
find
horns.
some more?
Yeah,
Jackalope.
what was it, half rack? Huh?
Oh.
Small one.
On a skull
Did you
still?
keep it?
Yeah, no, I just put it. I actually hung it in the tree
Frickin'
because I knew you
guys.
guys would be coming up through there.
I
I didn't see it.
was running. Come on, boys.
Me and Dave wasn't running.
No, there was
That
no
hill.
running involved.
I started going up that hill. I'm like, this ain't gonna be that bad. I was like, my legs are burning.
Well, after I thought it was just woods up here. Once
Yeah.
I started coming about, I was like,
it actually.
well, I
looks
know why
nicer
that
up
rabbit's staying up here.
here. Yeah.
Good grief.
Hello.
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 I
Oh, you got
wasted
3
2
shots.
hours of film
really
on
gonna be
one
good.
rabbit.
3 hours of film on one rabbit.
One just
No
ran
kidding.
Lance just killed it.
I only got that's number 2.
Yeah.
I hope, how many's
The
Dave? have?
Lances each have one. They're talking smack already.
All right, little Lance, you need to give a little play-by-play. Keep it under a minute.
I'll have him. I
Play-by-play
don't
on
know how
what?
to do that. I'll have
What
him.
happened here?
Talk to Uncle Ken. He's a good talker.
So anyway, we kicked the rabbit out way down over the hill. The dogs ran it straight up the hill, back to the left, probably they ran over a mile and a half just on this rabbit. I looked at it on my GPS. Then they brought it clear back past, ran around here a couple times, and then we all finally got up here, and they kicked it out and got hot on it and snuck it snuck back between us again. But Big Lance was up in the tree stand, and he could see down into that stuff and wasn't getting by
It
him.
was sneaky.
Oh,
It was.
a sneaky rabbit.
Because he come around that bush there,
Yep.
and I thought, oh, this is gonna be easy. And he kind of just,
Yeah.
he took
Well, I figured because when I seen him, he was moving.
yeah.
That's why I couldn't believe he didn't get to you. He stopped in between me and you.
Yeah.
That was
When I
crazy.
seen him, he was sneaking. Huh?
He's been here with you.
Yeah, he has.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you
He
and-
got permission with me.
Oh,
Your
'cause he's on his way home. So
dog collars show how fast they were going.
Yeah.
How fast
They
were they
ran at
going?
least 2 miles on that rabbit. Because when I looked at it, when they first kicked it out, when we were down at bottom, I had 3 miles.
2 point, or no, average speed, 3.9.
Wow, that's pretty
That's
good.
pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, when I looked at the thing down over the hill,
Uh-huh.
it was at, to what I tell you, Dave, 2 point,
Yeah,
I got
were over
4
2
point-
miles when we were
I've
down
got
there.
They were over
4.9
2 miles when I was down there.
4.09.
It's on 4.09 right now.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's what I got too.
Yeah.
4.09.
They did a good job.
They got
That was
got
a
5 miles on them already.
On one rabbit.
Pretty much. The rest of it was just hunting.
Yeah.
Came up here and the dogs, they were fucking around, and Doug goes, I just seen something over there. He didn't know what it was.
Oh.
And we thought maybe it was a cat. Well, the dogs went in there, were barking. It must have been that rabbit,
It
right?
must have been, yeah.
Because then they went up in there and they caught it
Doug
up on
goes,
that trail.
that's
and
got to be a big rabbit.
He goes, it looked bigger than a rabbit, but smaller than a beagle. And I'm like, well,
There's a big rabbit. Lance goes, you might want to turn your camera off.
you might not want to get this on film.
Yeah. Fur might start flying.
Doug goes,
This
we
ends
could
up
do-
on the edit of the floor.
Yeah. You'll see me pull up,
Yeah.
nothing. It just ends right there.
You can keep the deleted scenes for another time.
So what do you want to do? That way or which way you go? Oh,
Might
We're
just
up
wanna
here.
go-
We might as well just stay up here and go that way.
Yeah.
Well,
go
them
across
deer
this
went
hill.
right where them dogs are, so
The
if they
rabbit right
bark,
there.
that's where they're
Or
on.
is that a dog?
They were going down.
That's
there.
Ringo. Ringo, come on.
He's still hunting.
That's right. let
He
him
did,
hunt.
yeah, he don't.
He'll be here about an hour, so you guys still gonna be hunting. I
Hey
go,
Dave, could you go over there and get a
Who?
Coors Light out of that can or the house?
Can I get what?
Coors Light. There's Coors Light over there. Could you go get us
In
one?
that house? Yeah, I'll go over there. I ain't coming back.
I wonder if you can nub them tails even when they're older. You can nub them.
What's going on, Ken?
Well,
Redoing collar.
I think he came unconnected.
You're reconnecting them.
Sometimes mine do that. You gotta turn the controller off. Then if you turn it back on, like I tried always doing the, like I thought it was the collar. It was never the collar, it was always the remote.
There we go.
Hey, down here. Down here, here.
He crossed the trail right there, Lance. He crossed the trail right there.
Did he cross the trail?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know if I got him or not.
Nope, he crossed the trail right where you are.
Here we go, here. We're back in the stand. Here.
Right there.
Kick that rabbit out right out of that bush. Dogs are on the other side. Rabbit come flying over here across the trail and down. The dogs are chasing them now.
Well, maybe
Yeah,
he'll come back and you'll get another crack at him. He's coming across. Yeah.
That was a 410.
Twice though. It might still be running.
Dogs are really screaming out.
Which way's it going? Where's it going?
It's going up the hill. Not towards you.
Good.
I don't mean to brag, but I missed that thing at 5 feet.
Lance, come back this way. There's a good spot right there if he goes that way. Can you see him? Okay. Hopefully he comes right back up here. Lance, what happened?
I missed twice. That's the third time on that one rabbit. I know. Hey, get out of there. Tell him to come out of there. Tell him, Yukon, get out of there.
Well, sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. That guy there, he's been shot at how many times?
3 times, or 5 times total.
5 times. So
3 by me.
He decided that he was going to go underground.
Underground.
Safer habitat.
Dang it. Good run, boys. Good run. He went in the hole. No, he didn't. Damn thing.
I think it probably heard us yelling.
And it didn't know what to do. And then when them dogs came there, he kind of knew.
Yeah.
I only got one way. Because he was sitting right in that, like,
Oh, yeah.
bush right in there.
Uh-huh.
Come on, guys. Come here, Trumper. Come here. Come on, Tex. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Good boy.
All right, guys, we're having a good day so far. We're getting lots of action. That rabbit right there went down a hole after Lance shot it. It ran probably 20 yards at the most and went right down a hole. Lance put his hand down to see if he could fill it, but he couldn't fill it, so that rabbit lives another day. So we're gonna go and try to hit another spot. See if we can get another one up. Lance, can you see good? There. Back here. Right there. You see up that trail? Yeah. There it is.
I hope you got that on film. Good boy. Good boy. Good run. Atta boy. There him on. Good boy.
Yeah, you got it.
I just saw another one right out in front of me.
Really? Good boys. Good boys. Hey, get out of there. Get out of there. Get out. Hey, get out. Henry, get out. Get out. Get out of here. Get.
All right, Lancey, what happened?
Well,
Come down here with it. Tell me what happened.
he was charging me. They went out there about 120 yards. And he turned around and he comes screaming right back at us. And there he be.
All right.
Good
Another
old
nice one.
bunny.
Another nice one.
Everybody's eating snow.
Yeah, they're a little hungry or thirsty. Yeah.
Why? Oh.
Kind of gutted this rabbit. Huh. Oh. I guess maybe they.
Calm down there.
What'd you get, Dave?
On the board.
Get a rabbit, huh? All right.
On the board.
Male, female, what is it?
Big old boy.
It's male.
Hey, he come running right down here and stopped, and I thought he went in the hole. We both lost him. He was sitting right underneath the tree, and he turned around and started
Oh,
running
so you
backwards.
shot him when he's sitting?
No, he was running away from me.
Oh, okay.
We don't shoot him when they're sitting.
Hey, Dave, he's right in front of me. Coming your way, Lance. Someone shot. Oh yeah. Where should be good though? Property line. Oh, jeez, oh man. I hope they are good neighbors.
I got it. Okay. Christ, we've got had 5 or 6 now, huh?
When we were up here and you shot that one, that was 2 right there.
Yeah.
Lance got 1, 3, 4, and you're Dave, 5.
Yeah, you got
It's 5.
so far, yeah.
Oh wait, no.
No?
Yeah, because that 2 was whenever you shot yours and Lance shot the one down over the hill. So yeah, 5. You get one, Lance.
Hey, let go.
All right.
Yep.
Another one. What is that?
Funny.
2 for the day for you.
Yep, 2 for me.
All right.
Dogs did a great job. You jumped them bunnies, huh? You jumped a
Did.
bunny, huh? Giving me heck.
You can get it in your pack, or do you need help?
Yeah, I can get it. This is chicken out his ears. I don't know if them are from the BBs or.
I don't know. Is it a male or female? What is it?
See, that's
Female.
a female, yep.
Huh.
I got a guy I work with. He'll take any rabbit I get.
Really? Cleaned or uncleaned?
I butcher them for him.
Okay.
Ziploc bag them. I dropped off 23 one day.
Holy crap.
6 of them were fresh, and then the other one I had frozen. They
What's
were
he
only-
do with them all? Eat them?
Loves them.
Huh.
Never knew he liked them until I was talking to him at work one day, and he goes, I'm gonna go out tomorrow and try to get some wild rabbit. I go, you want to stay home? He goes, What do you mean? I go, I got like 23 of them at home. He goes, I'll take every one you have.
Wow.
It was Super Bowl Sunday, and he goes, I'm gonna have it for Super Bowl Sunday. I was just glad to have someone
Yeah.
take them. I don't like wasting them. So.
Yeah. Now, if you could find a guy that takes them unclean, that would be perfect.
That's what he goes. He goes, you're telling me they're butchered, they're already cleaned. I go, they're already done. He goes, this is all right.
You using a 410, right?
Yeah. Yeah, my dad had this in his arsenal. I went in there and I said, Dad, I want this gun. It's light.
Oh, it's perfect for rabbit.
And I've been using it ever since. I'll never carry another 12 gauge or.
What is it, a Mossberg?
It is a Mossberg.
Is it?
Mossberg. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Mossberg makes pretty good guns.
2.5 and 3-inch shells.
They get a bad rap, like they're not real high quality, but I've never had any problem with them.
Yeah, I liked it.
You don't have enough scratches on it though, Lance.
Well, he warned me when I took it. He said, don't beat it up.
I missed that one too.
I don't know if they got it or not.
That's another one that the camera was in the wrong spot.
I can't believe that. I didn't see that one.
Yeah, I was just right up there. You see one?
I just saw another one run across the path up there.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Well, I say we go.
Something went running across there. It was either a pheasant or a rabbit. See where that big
Bush?
jagger bush is?
Yeah. All right, well, maybe there's another one up there. All right, guys, Dave just shot one. And the bad thing about it was I was just right there trying to film him. And it sounded like the rabbit was going down the hill, so I went down the hill thinking that it was gonna be down there, and I guessed wrong. But
Then of course
Ken thinks he saw one run across the trail here, so we're gonna go up here and see if we get another rabbit going up here. Play by play here, what happened?
Parker shot scared the crap out of him. You can see the shell of the whole blowing weeds over.
He cut trees down.
Yeah. He kind of cleared it out a little bit. And
You put the finishing touch on him.
yeah, he come up here and decided that he'd had enough.
What was it, male, female?
It's female, I think.
So what's that make, 2 for you?
Three? No, 2.
2
Oh,
and
we got 3. Me and him both got 3.
3 apiece.
No.
No, I got 2 today.
Yeah.
But
You got 3.
yeah, because we're tied at 4 for the year.
We're killing him.
And he's out of bullets, so I got a pretty good chance.
Yeah.
You
Well,
better
he's
grab a couple more shells.
he's got a golf ball.
Well,
That's
that's
right.
true.
You could always throw it at him.
Here, let me try it out.
Really?
Uh-oh, Big
Hey,
Brother
those are like
saving the day.
$25 a box now, you know.
Big Brother saving the day.
Oh.
Does yours shoot 3-inch?
I don't think it does. That would be terrible. I'd feel so bad.
I can't read it. Can anybody read that barrel? It's right in there.
It shoots.
2.5 and 3-inch. So
You're giving them magnums.
The other ones I had.
these are 9-shot. These are 7.5.
What am I shooting? These things are like bazookas. Look at that.
No, that's a 3-inch.
Yeah, that's a magnum.
Them 3-inches, they reach out there when they. My gun
Apparently 45 yards is the
is the
cutoff. For
yeah.
yeah.
You might as well load that while
Let me load it.
That's you, Cole.
you're there.
Oh,
I was just busting.
I forgot I had your gun. I was like, my gun's got
Yeah.
shells in it. What are you talking about?
He's back in the game. Whoop, wait.
So, of course, once you pull within one. Oh, I found
Yeah.
some shells. I got them in my back
Yeah.
pocket.
I was gonna quit.
He
Where
said,
are you?
I go, he goes, I'm done.
I'm
He
done.
goes, unless you
I
get
was
one.
up one. I walked down here and Parker didn't.
You were guarding that hole, huh?
No, he told me to walk up around. I see the way you guys work now.
Is
He
that what
goes,
it is?
he goes, you got to work up around there, then you'll see that whole hillside. I stood here and turned around, look over, and I hear him shooting the rabbit right in front of me. He's trying to get me to go all the way over there when he knew the rabbit was going to come over here. That's a typical hill trick, I'm telling you. That's why they kill all this stuff.
Well, me and Parker, we're standing down there. Dogs are screaming down towards that tree line. We're standing there and we're talking.
I couldn't believe it.
This rabbit pops up right in front of me in wide open, you know, in the brush, you know. I was like, Parker, there he is right in front of you. I didn't even pick my gun up. Parker,
All we saw
I
was,
seen this tree go.
Yeah, all we saw was, I mean, it looked like we could see weeds being blown down right there. Coming right at you.
Well, 50 yards in front of us is that where we come up through.
Oh, we did?
Because I was right on the side of them cat. Me and Doug was right on the edge of them cattails.
Okay.
So we're gonna have to go.
Kind of like
Can we
straight
hunt
at the
the
house.
other side of the creek?
Yeah.
Well, that's what we'll do. We'll just go down through here,
Yeah,
across
because we
the
kind of
creek,
stayed.
and then go that way.
Joyce just called Doug and told him he has to get home, or he's gonna get his ass beat. Edit.
Time's up!
Hold on.
That one's going in the scrap pile.
Been a couple years old?
You gotta come here.
All right, we're going to investigate something here. Sounds as though we found some carnage.
Hey Doug.
Wow.
That ain't off that deer.
That's when Lance come over. He was gonna get that bone. I said, "Here, I found this one."
Where'd you find that one at?
Right up
We've
there.
been looking up there for the other half.
I was looking for the other half.
It's got, like he said, it's got.
That looks like a
That's a
Missouri
nice
buck.
one.
from
That's
this morning.
fresh too.
That's right. The
It
blood
went
was
through.
still on
It
there.
went through. how about
That's
we
a
kicked it
beautiful
out? It
buck.
went through
He got
six
long
stuff.
main beams. Can you imagine that deer sitting up on his head?
Imagine what he's gonna look like this year.
Wonder why there's 9 tree stands in here.
I know. Probably one of Rick's bucks.
We need to tell this lady she needs to quit letting those guys hunt back
Yeah.
there. Because they're just killing deer and leaving them lay. And then
Yeah, that-
we'll hunt here.
No, remember that other one up there?
Yeah.
I hung up in the tree. He was about that size.
Really?
That
Because
one,
that's legal down here, isn't it?
Hold that
free up. Yeah.
Good size. That's good.
I like how they're all facing forward.
Yeah, I looked up under these little tree tops like it was laying like that. I was like, my God.
He goes, Dave.
I do. I go, look at this thing.
I see him. He turned around. I went, my God.
Oh, when you pulled that out, I was like, there ain't no way. I'm like, that fucking thing ain't from VA.
I had
Or
it
at least
in.
from around here.
Hey everybody, I'd just like to welcome you to the last rabbit hunt of Pennsylvania this year. We had a good year. We ended up killing a total of, how many, Lance?
Mid-50s, somewhere
Probably
in
in
the
the mid-50s. Today was a good day. We started off a little bit slow, but as the day progressed and went on, we started kicking up more rabbits, and the dogs did really well. We actually flushed a couple ringnecks, found some really nice sheds back here. Yeah. The best thing was we had a really good season this year. Looking forward to next year. We have a lot of fun doing this. These dogs are freaking me out. They're sitting here eating rabbits while we're doing this. The only thing missing today was, of course, my dad who passed away this year. It'd have been nice to have Uncle Ron and Uncle Took also here with us. But on behalf of myself, Parker Giddings, Dave Giddings, Lance Hill, and Lance Hill, only thank you for tuning in to Step Outdoors.